Welcome! In front of me I have Rubicon LW06 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after we stop using our watch. Let's start by pressing the side button to wake up the screen on our watch. After you wake up the screen on the watch, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, select display, and here scroll down, find the option called screen time and tap on it. And here we have the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds and 9 seconds. Select the duration you like and then tap on the check mark and tap on the check mark again to confirm. And now the screen should turn off automatically after 8 seconds of an activity. Like this. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.